everyone, welcome to Module 2, the first 10 minutes. Last week we sent students a welcome letter, and this week they are arriving in class. So your homepage is students' first impression of the course, and we know that first impressions are very important. The look and the navigability of our homepage can even influence students' decisions as to whether or not they choose to stay in the course. So having a welcoming homepage is essential. Also, having clear instructions on the homepage is important because when students enter a new class, they're in an entirely new space. We know that different instructors design their courses a little bit differently, and it can be disorienting for students when they enter a new class space. So you want to make sure that your homepage has clear instructions on what students need to do next. So in this course, we will use peer review to get a sense of how others are interacting with our course. And this week, you're going to do a peer review of the welcome letter that you wrote last week, and you're also going to discuss and design your homepage. So that's week 2, and I hope you enjoy designing. Make sure to let us know if you have any questions.